Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by extracting the program audio so you can work only on the sound. This reduces accidental video quality loss. Open your project in an editor or run FFmpeg-I input. MP4 VN Acodic PCM S16 La output. WAV. Once done, listen quickly to mark dialogue ranges and note timestamps. That helps focus processing. Make sure to keep a backup of the original files and use WAV or high bitrate files to preserve dynamics when running noise reduction or source separation tools. You now separate the vocal energy from music and effects using a source separation model. This gives you discrete stems to work with. Run Demux or Splitter to produce voice and accompaniment tracks, then listen to the accompaniment. It will lack most dialogue. Next, apply spectral editing or a notch EQ to the original where voice is still present. Because AI seams and overlaps need surgical reduction. Make sure to compare stems and original frequently to avoid removing important non-vocal elements. You finish by replacing the original audio track with the cleaned accompaniment and resyncing to the video timeline. Precise alignment prevents lip-sync drift. Once aligned, gently add room tone or low-level ambience to cover abrupt silences and blend transitions, and if required, lower foreground music to compensate. Finally, export the new video and listen through different speakers and headphones. If you hear artifacts, return to separation parameters or tighten spectral masks. A key tip: preserve originals so you can iterate without losing data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.